Hey guys, here's an E39 and it does have a front seat backrest failure. This side is moving and that side stays the same, and here's an easy fix. First you align the seat, make sure it stays straight. There are two screws in the front, one's down here, the other runs right inside here. This is a Torque T50 screws. As well, you lift the seat fully upwards. Yeah, this bit is broken as well. We'll fix it once the seat is out. There's two screws in the front and two in the back. When you get all the four screws out, decline the seat now backwards, it lifts up and it's easy to access the connections down below. I got the seat out, I flipped it over, and when you come down here, there are two motors. One of them is lifting up and down the seat and the other one's for the backrest. So, and one motor drives two cables, one from the one side and the other one goes for the other side. Yeah, you can see it's inside here. So our side was this side, which was bad and was not moving. Take these connectors off and there are two securing down screws, one here and one from the other side. Release this bracket and we'll need to get this cable out slightly. So I did release these two screws. I moved the motor slightly upwards and I managed to pull this cable out. And you can see it's a square square cable which is turned by the motor, and it helps the backrest to move. And you could feel that you can turn it now and it wasn't touching, but once you push it deeper inside, then you can feel you have a connection with the other end. So we'll remove this tip over here, we'll shorten the cable for a little bit, we'll put it back in and everything's going to work. And here's what I did, I cut off about 1 centimeter of it. Now we'll put back the tip, insert the cable and reassemble everything. Yeah, once you fix that, reinstall it and it all works. Enjoy guys.